Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Be sure to turn on those post notifications and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. So today we're gonna do another haul video. So I got me this really cool phone sticker. Guys. It's like a Coach one. It's kind of like the one Lance 210 had. You could put your credit card in there, your ID, and it's just nice for on the go when you don't want your wallet. So that's a cool sticker that I got, guys. I really love that a lot. Then Mason broke his tablet, so I got him a new one for his birthday. Way too early, but he really wanted one, so I got him the Kindle 7, or the Kindle Fire 7, and it has Alexa on it, so voice features, pretty cool. And then I got me the Harry Potter 8 film collection set, so I was really happy to get this to finally see the movies in order, and it was really nice watching them, guys. I have fun on my days off enjoying this, so I was really happy to get that, and I got it for a good deal, which was nice. And then I got the Animal Wild Unknown Spirit deck, guys. I was really happy to get this. I had a bunch of issues with my Amazon orders and they gave me a credit, so I used it and spent a little bit more money and got this nice tarot deck. It's really nice because it has all the animals on there, and it's just one of everyone's dream to get this deck in the spiritual community, and I really love this, so I was so blessed and happy to get this. So thank you, God, and all the Ascended Masters. Can you guys see the cool flash on it? Really love that. Got pictures of it on my Instagram, and I guess to go with the little spiritual theme, I got this blood orange and cedarwood candle. Oh my god, guys, this candle just smells so good. There's something about it. It just smells really yummy. I wish they had it in like an essential oil, and I could make it, like put some in my holy water, spray that around, make it a fragrance, because this candle smells really good. So I got this candle to use. I can like offer it for one of the offerings that I do around like the holidays or my birthday coming up. And for my birthday, I got me this nice, you guys can't really see it, but it's this iced out cross that's silver. It's really nice. Too bad you guys can't see it that good. You see it better in my birthday OOTD video. So I got this for me to be extra and have fun on my birthday coming up. My birthday's June 13th, if you guys were wondering. So I got me a little birthday outfit ready. So I got me that, and I got me this little Amitabha Buddha ring. I don't think you guys could really see it. There you guys go. You could kind of see it. So I got this really nice Amitabha Buddha ring. So I was happy to get this little Buddha ring, guys, of Amitabha. So I'm gonna look really nice for my birthday. I'm so happy, and I wasn't planning on getting new shoes for my birthday because I didn't want to spend so much money. I'm trying to save my money. And then I just got blessed and went to the shoe store and found these on sale, and I got a really good deal on them. I got these Nike shoes, and they're kind of gonna tame my hunger, I guess you would say, for some shoes I want. All the shoebox fell. I want those white Adidas shoes, you know, with the 3 stripes. Everyone's got them. I really want them, but this will tame my hunger for them for now, because the material on these Nikes is kind of like a Yeezy shoe, so it's really nice and breathable. It's white. You get the nice black checkers, so this is gonna go really good with my birthday outfit and OOTD video, guys. I can't wait for you to see it, to be out in nature, have fun, and all that good stuff. So I got that, and then I ordered this jacket, and everything kind of has a theme, which is really nice. So I'm gonna wear this nice white like bomber faux leather jacket that's got like nice black stripes. It's white. It looks really cool. I'm gonna be happy to wear this, and everything's all like matching and gonna look good, so I'm really happy about that. So I got this guy on Amazon. I wanted to get this Guess jacket that they had that has like, it's similar to that one with 3 stripes, but that was like 30 bucks. The Guess jacket was 100, and they weren't nice to me when I was in the Guess store. I haven't had good experiences, so I'm like, why not see if there's something cheaper that looks just the same or similar, and I found it, so good savings on that. So I think my birthday outfit's pretty much under 100 right now, and I still didn't buy new jeans, so pretty good. So I can't wait for you guys to see that. But I think that's pretty much it with that kind of stuff. And then my grandparents got me this tripod, so I was really happy to get a new one. And I don't know if you guys could see this part right here, but if you're filming videos, it's like you want a smooth one if you do like shots like that, and that one's working smooth, so I'm totally gonna have to test that tripod out. And then when we were at the library, at like the part where you could buy books, my mom saw these, and I'm like, what? I need these. My favorite show of like all time is Charmed, so she found these books, the Charmed books. I was so happy to get these, and they were like a really good deal. So happy to have them, so gonna have lots of photo shoots of them on my Instagram. I did have some photo shoots, guys. They weren't the best, but I just need to post the pictures. So I was really happy to get these Charmed books. And then I think there's only one thing left. It's this teacup I found. Where is it at? Can you guys see it against my black clothing? It's hard to see because it's all my cat's hair was on it. It's all like really over exposed right now. So I got this cool teacup for some fun photo shoots. Really like this a lot, so I was happy to get that. And I think that's it, guys. That's pretty much everything that I got around the course of a couple weeks to almost a month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I might have bought some more things, but you have to see the vlogs for that. And I hope you're having a great rest of your day. Let me know what videos you want to see down below. I'm gonna try to film more videos for you guys, and I hope you're all having a great day. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again. Blessed be, guys.